Hey, it's Bruce Carson with Keller Williams Realty, Keenan Group. We have a new listing here, 547 Palos, Secos, here in Arroyo Grande. This is going to be live. We're going to have open houses this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, 10 to 2. Come check it out. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath house, ocean views off the back side, giant finished 3-car garage, and plenty of space. We're just over 2,700 square feet, and let's go take a look. Come on. Hey, come on in. So take a look at this house. This just screams, it's an entertainer's dream. The open floor plan, when you walk in, you come into a nice, beautiful, formal dining room in a big living area. But a great selling point for this house is the kitchen. Come check it out. If you like to cook, if you like to entertain, it's super easy to come in here, use this island. Check this out. It even has its own sink and a garbage disposal for you cooks. So we also have 2 bays in the sink here. All of the facilities that you could possibly need. Tons of nooks and crannies, lots and lots of storage in this house. Plus, the big tall ceilings and ample lighting really makes it feel homey and warm and nice. Right out of here, we could be cooking and then talking to folks here in our little kitchenette, dining area, another social opportunity. We could put some bar stools here. We could really get a lot of people in here. So now, COVID's over, we're all getting out and having some fun. So let's do it in this house. Can't beat these views. Again, you cannot miss these views and the giant window. So this area is nice and big, spacious, big, tall ceilings, lots and lots of light. So it's just so light and bright. We don't even need these lights with all of these giant, tall windows, but we have them anyway. So super nice feature of this house is a gas-powered fireplace and a really nice mantle to match. So coming out of here, this house just keeps giving and giving because it has its own office area, totally separate from everyone. This is really nice, super nice touches, big, tall, double doors. You can close them off and have your phone calls and just do your business and stay away from the rest of the family while you're working. So let's come on down. There's lots of storage. We have good closet areas. It's 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Here's bedroom number 1. And here's bathroom number 1. So again, nice touches, light, bright, super tall. We have a skylight up there for a little energy efficiency in that bathroom. Check this out. We have the last 2 bedrooms are both really big and spacious. So this one, lots of room, lots of windows, again, tall ceilings all the way throughout. And of course, everyone likes a really big walk-in closet. So not only does it have the big closet and nice features throughout the bedroom, but we have a nice bathroom connected to this bedroom, so its own master bath. And then after that, we come on down the hall, come down the bend, and come on, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so this is our second master or very large bedroom in this house. You see there's just lots and lots of space. It features a gas-powered fireplace and a very large walk-in closet, which is super, super neat. You also have your own personal, big, tall glass door going out to the deck area. So check out this master ensuite bathroom. Oh my, look at the soaker tub. Super nice. It has jets and bubbles. Has your own nice big shower and all the mirrors and lighting that you need. Of course, Jack and Jill sinks. Always, always nice when you're sharing a bathroom with someone else. Okay, so here is our beautiful deck area, the backyard area. We've nicely refinished with nice new long-lasting products. Nice iron fence here, and of course our amazing views. It's a little bit hazy today, but on a day that's a little bit more clear than this, you can see we're looking all the way down James Way out to the ocean, Pismo Heights, and who knows, we might be able to see all the way to Avila Ridge if it's a little bit clearer. But anyway, take a look down here. There's a cool, very nice stairs, and we have a concrete pad, electricity, water, really nice gate that'll keep some animals in, or crazy kids if you have them. And the yard goes on and on. It actually does go beyond this fence line. This big tree has a lot of history. Don't forget to ask about the big oak tree in the backyard. And it just keeps on going down. So super nice, peaceful, tranquil. I haven't been out here at night to see if we hear the ocean, but that even might happen too. We'll see you soon. Thanks.